First of all, I'd like to establish this fact. I am a Yoruba boy. My name is Babatunde Abraham Olabayo. Everyone calls me Kev Child, Kev, Corporate Rascal. Yep. But the fact that I am a Yoruba boy doesn't mean I have to be tribalistic or doesn't mean I have to support blindly.
Okay.
Now, relax. Tinubu is fixing Nigeria.
It's all right.
We both know Tinubu ain't fixing shit.
Yeah,
For
okay.
all of you who have been contracted to support that movement, because you're all contractors, you were paid. You understand?
Okay.
Me and you know, say, they fix anything. Tinubu is fixing Nigeria. That is a present continuous tense, right? It's a present it means something has started and it's ongoing. Fix is a verb, yeah? When it's fixing, it means it's a present continuous tense. That means something is happening right now. You understand? It's ongoing. And if something is ongoing, there should be visible empirical evidence to show that this thing is happening. A country that is working doesn't have to be promoted, doesn't have to be told. You don't tell people that a country is working. You don't tell people that the country is good. People feel it. People go feel and say the country they work. So when you invest so much PR to prove to people that a country that is not working is working, you begin to look stupid. Those of you that has been contracted on that movement, you know what you look like. You're telling us that relax. We know Tinubu ain't fixing shit. Relax. We are just hungry motherfuckers with zero integrity who just want to, collect our own share from the crumbs falling from the APC loot. Yes, now, you people are shameless and you have zero integrity. Country they born, you know it. Relax. Tinubu is fixing Nigeria. Where? For inside on a house, for your backyard.
As them.
You guys go around parading yourself as. See, I've said it. If you do not speak up or partake in the affairs of your government, you're doomed to be ruled by fools. And funny enough, I've seen intellectual people who are also recruited in this movement, and you begin to ask yourself, what is they call them master strategists. I ask myself, what are you strategizing? Chaos and havoc. Strategizing, sharing, Ghana must go up and down. Is that how you're a strategist in politics? Now go say to people how we play politics. If this is how we play politics, you're a disgrace. And bro, do you know how disgusting it is that Senate is passing a bill not to allow real-time transmission of result? Bro, Beavers does not need the internet to work. Beavers can send the results to IREV, that is INEC Result Viewing Center, the online one. That is the only time they need to send results from Beavers over there. Now, in a country where Boko Haram's headsmen, kidnappers, are in the bush doing TikTok, are in the bush using their phones, you're telling me that Unanofi invest millions in making sure that on a certain day of election there's stable network for you to do that, because una be thieves.
So
Why are you going to tell me you una know if you want real-time transmission of result now? You understand? You can't even campaign with what you have done for the people. That's why you're recruiting celebrities and recruiting social media influencers to come and promote you. Now, don't turn the country to content creator. I have a lot of my friends in politics. I have some of them in the Hems of Affair. Anytime I meet them, I don't discuss politics with them because fights go happen. And all of them know me. I don't fear anybody. I go tell you, if you bring political topic, I go fuck you up. You understand? Because when they do nonsense, Mona just keep and they don't come and be preaching APC or T-Pain to me. Because me and you go get issue. Because you guys are bloody thieves. I said it long time ago that you're suffering from dark triad personality trait. All of you are highly driven by Machiavellianism. The end justifies the means. Only solely chasing monetary goals, monetary values. You understand? You're narcissistic. All of you now be fucking narcissist, and you're a psychopath. Those are the people we have where they pilot Nigeria right now. Why do you think people leave? Why do you think somebody like me left to And I don't turn the country to higgy haga. It's just a sad move. Relax. Tinubu is fixing Nigeria. Where they fix am? For na papa house for your backyard.
Exactly?
Now collect money. Now will come they tell us nonsense. You people, you're just embarrassing. You're disgusting. Country that is working is very conspicuous. We see it. We feel it. The same way as they work with the film. Waiting to sub for Kwara State. Now go they lie. Because only jeku je ni gbogbo yin, only jeku je atenu je. Come now we dey form big boy up and down, big girl up and down, olu she ni gbogbo yin. Thieves, bloody criminals. Don't burn anybody, papa will come for me now. You know say I know I dey gba ule.
Now, I don't hear waiting this our Yoruba brother talk. I don't hear them, Abi. Sometimes, some of una will be thinking maybe we are condemning our brothers, it'll be Kubana, Chief Priest, or Zenko, about their political movement, but that is not the issue. The issue here is, are you campaigning for Tinubu on what basis? With the condition of the country now, and you are still telling Nigerians that Tinubu is going to do wonder. Where? 4 years you don't go. Can you mention one thing where APC government don't solve for this country where we dey? Is it insecurity? Is it good hospital? Is it good road? Is it a good educational system? Tell us. So if Obi Kubana or Chief Priest now enter main market, wetin he go dey tell people, main market people? If he enter any city or any village, wetin he go dey tell them? At least there should be a reason. Oh, Tinubu don't stop insecurity. Oh, Tinubu don't give us steady electricity. Oh, so we want him to continue.